Happening right now, a jury continues to deliberate the fate of Cameron County Tax Assessor Collector Tony Izaguirre Jr. Channel 5's Daisy Martinez is in Corpus Christi where the trial is being held. She joins us live with the very latest. Daisy.
Dina, the jury was just dismissed for lunch. We actually just saw Tony Izaguirre Jr. walk out with his family and the attorneys. They just passed by us. For the most part, Izaguirre has remained behind closed doors most of this morning while his family is just kind of hanging out around the courtroom. Today, there's been a more informal and more relaxed feeling, as at this point, all there is to do is wait for that verdict. Now, the jury did begin deliberating at about 9 this morning. They only got in about an hour of deliberation last night. The jury, again, made up of 9 women and 3 men. The alternates, a man and a woman, are not taking part in those deliberations right now. It's important to note the makeup of the jury because the defense strategy seemed geared at the women of this jury. Defense attorney Eduardo Lucio seemed to bring up details throughout the case of a female employee in the tax office and how she was intimidated by the lead investigators in this case. He also brought up one of the female DPS investigators who had voiced her concerns about this case. None of those concerns were ever addressed. The defense also had Izaguirre's female family members sit in the front row of the audience section throughout this entire trial. Now, Izaguirre's fate, again, in the hands of 9 women and 3 men. Izaguirre also, earlier in this process, elected to be, if he is found guilty, to be sentenced by this jury. And he is, again, facing 15 counts. If they do find him guilty on any of those, it'll be also in the jury's hands to see what kind of a sentence he faces. Of course, we'll keep you posted here from Corpus Christi. For now, live, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News at noon.